What's the laziest way to make money with AI in 2025? As a total beginner, no money, no skills, no experience. These are the exact 5 AI side hustles I would start today. Low effort, high potential, and AI does most of the heavy lifting. With ChatGPT, you can generate blog content in minutes. But here's where the real money is. Creating content that ranks in AI search models like ChatGPT and Google SG. You could make over $100,000 per month doing this using podcast transcripts and AI. Let's go from zero to cash flow, the lazy way. Let's start with AI thumbnail design. You know those eye-catching YouTube thumbnails you can't help but click? People are paying $50 to $400 a day for them. According to ZipRecruiter, the average cost of building a website is $1,600. Study viral thumbnails in your niche using tools like vidIQ or 1 of 10. Build a portfolio, create your own samples, or redesign existing ones. Use ChatGPT to break down what makes them convert. And if you want to level up, use Loom to record a quick audit for YouTubers in your niche. Offer your service with a simple low-risk offer. That's number 1. And AI tools like Midjourney, Canva AI, and Photoshop AI make it ridiculously easy. Clicks equals money. Thumbnails equals clicks. Learn thumbnails, and you print money. Here's how to get started. Step 3. Rank with tools like RankMath or NeuronWriter. And finally, monetize with affiliate links or offer your blog services to small businesses. Let's move on to lazy hustle number 2. This one's pure gold. AI blog generation. AI creates the script, the voiceover, the video. Tools like ElevenLabs, Pictory, and Synthesia handle the production. You just post videos. YouTube handles the rest. Step 1. Research top-performing blogs with SEMrush or Ubersuggest. Step 2. Use AI to write blog posts, SEO optimized. Turn one video into 5. Turn one script into 10. It's not about going viral. It's about going consistent. Here's how to start. Pick a high CPM niche: finance, tech, productivity. Use ChatGPT to write compelling video scripts. Generate video plus voice using AI tools. Post consistently. And remember, it's a numbers game. The more you post, the more you'll learn and improve 1% with each video. Build traffic, add affiliate links, and monetize with ads. Moving on to hustle number 3. This one's for the creatives. Faceless YouTube channels powered by AI. You don't even need to show your face. But here's the secret sauce: repurpose. And now we move on to the heavy hitters. This is hustle number 4. AI website building. There are 22 million small businesses in North America, and almost all of them need a site. With tools like Framer AI, Loom, and ChatGPT, you can build sites in hours and charge $300 to $1,000 plus. Step 1. Pick a no-code builder: Framer AI or Loom. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write web copy. Step 3. Use Midjourney for images. Step 4. Build 2 to 3 portfolio websites. And Step 5. Offer your service using the audit to deal process. Analyze, record a Loom, pitch with proof. Now let's talk numbers. And now for the grand finale, the ultimate AI side hustle. Launch an AI automation agency. You help businesses automate boring tasks: onboarding, lead gen, emails, finance. You name it. You could start by helping one business save 10 hours a week and charge $1,000 plus a month. This is how you build real, scalable income. Here's how to launch it. Ask ChatGPT, what are 10 AI automation ideas for small businesses? Pick one use case: onboarding, CRM, lead generation. Offer it for free to 3 to 5 clients as a case study. Use those wins to land paying clients. So here's the recap: AI thumbnails, AI blogs, faceless YouTube, AI websites, and AI automation agencies. And remember, automation isn't about replacing people. It's about freeing them to focus on what really matters. If you're tired of watching others make AI money while you sit on the sidelines, start today. Pick just one lazy method and go all in. Drop lazy money in the comments if you're ready to take action. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because this year, AI is your co-founder. See you on the next one.